So I'm going to make this short, talking about the structure of consciousness within DNA and the symbolic representation of what it is. Now, DNA is made up of a double helix structure, as we know, and one of the helixes represents consciousness, and the other, cat, do you mind? One of them represents consciousness, forward movement, while the other one represents subconscious fragmentation, because the one that represents consciousness or masculine wholeness, completeness, is the 5' 3', while the other one is the 3' to 5'. And the reason that the other one represents fragmentation is because it is chemically opposite to it. So when the DNA gets split, it has to be copied in fragments, what are known as Okazaki fragments, where the RNA acts as a type of hook to each part so that it can be copied in sections. And its DNA is made up of 4 base molecules and components, which is adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Yeah. And the adenine and thymine represent air and water because they're held by 2 nitrogen bonds, while the cytosine and guanine represent what is that? Yeah, fire and earth. And that's because they're held together by 3 hydrogen bonds. And the phosphate group, which is the linking structure between the carbon sugars in DNA, represents spirit or aether, if we're going to take a Platonic solids stance. So it's kind of like if you were to think of bread, it's the glucose, it's the web-like structure, the passive negative polarity form of God that allows everything to exist, while the sugar carbon represents like human form, and the 5' to 3' and the 3' to 5' can represent going from the process of ascension and descension, remembering and forgetting your own divine essence. While the